There's 2 teams fighting northeast. There's also 2 teams fighting southwest. You want to just vibe, or do you want to try and kill someone?
Oh man, I'm scared.
Don't be scared. Come fight these guys south. Ah, dude, him just slow walking. I can't hit him. It's unreal. That dude at the bottom's 1 HP.
Alright, you have any heals?
I can drop you this.
Bro, I need an AR. That's why I had a minigun. I just tried to spray him
There's
down
like
with
a
it.
paradise of loot in this building. Look at this. All
see
look,
this.
this is like literally all free buffet right here, man.
Free buffet.
Dude, I swear to God, I haven't been to one in a minute. I would.
No, same.
Word.
Same.
We gotta do that, man. Yeah, dude.
For real. Holy crap. It has been a long time. Bro, I gotta put that in my notes. I gotta actually go one of these days.
Word. Dude,
Before I forget.
you know what I hate is when I say something or when people say something and I
you
don't
just-
commit to it. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I'm one of those guys. It's just like I kind of just forget. That's why. And like it's not like
I always every time.
yeah,
Every time.
Yeah. Then just here. Oh, this guy came with the loot.
I have a campfire again.
Yeah, I might as well use your campfire.
Yeah. This is one weird game. Wait,
Was that you?
wait, what? How do I place a trap? Wait, what? Bro, I'm so confused. I don't know what is going on. I don't know what's going on.
Wait, come get your you didn't get full HP. You didn't get full
Oh, look at these guys up top, southeast. Oh, we're done, brother.
What do you mean?
Look at these guys. I have no mats to fight these guys. Look at them. Look, they're basing up
Holy
right now.
fucking shit.
Southeast on the mountain. Do you have any heads to fight?